Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Shure SM7B mic with OBS. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your Shure SM7B mic. How do you actually go ahead and set it up with OBS? So first things first, you want to go ahead and make sure that your Shure SM7B is connected. So what it uses is a micro USB cable, and we're going to go ahead and connect it into here. Now there is an option to insert a XLSR cable as well, but with your cable connected, you should see the top of the mic light up green, and you want this portion to be facing up and then the mic to be about, I'd say 7 to 12 inches away from you speaking. Now with that mic, it is a USB cable that I'm using right over here. That's going to connect to the back of your computer. So for this example, I'm using an iMac. So that cable is going to run from here all the way to the back of your iMac. Now let's assume that you have OBS installed already. What you're going to do on OBS is that where it says mic, you want to click on these three dots, then click on properties, and then where the device says, you want to select Shure MV7, then click on OK. So now when you go ahead and talk, it's going to be getting the audio from your Shure SM7B mic. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and set up your Shure M7B mic with OBS. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.